Bird and Kip, Episode 69, The Big Race.
Kip,
Bird called the next morning.
are you up yet?
She looked in Kip's hole. Kip wasn't there,
Kip must be at the race.
said Bird. Bird flew to the starting line. There was a big crowd. The runners had numbers on their shirts. Suddenly, the race began. Everyone started to run. Bird watched the runners go past. She didn't see Kip anywhere. Bird scratched her head.
I wonder where Kip is.
She said. She saw a squirrel.
Do you know where Kip is?
Asked Bird.
Yes,
Said Squirrel.
I saw him going to the beach.
The beach.
Said Bird. Bird flew to the beach. And then she saw Kip. He was lying in the sand.
Why aren't you in the race?
Asked Bird.
I can't run in the race.
Said Kip.
I'm too tired from training.
Little Fox.